the unemployment rate unexpectedly tickled down a little bit. Jobs are risky, but the best thing we can say right now is that the distribution of employment growth has widened a little bit. We'll see how long that lasts. So the payroll diffusion index improved. You saw growth in manufacturing and construction increase. Now, this I would still be a little skeptical, because essentially a lot of this construction growth is related to enterprises and the government. It's not too much growth that we're seeing with housing development or single family home development and that type of stuff. Basically, we have a nominal economy that's barely growing at a 4% rate, and that's what jobs number are now being backed by realistically. With additional inflation pressure on the horizon from higher energy costs and transportation costs, the Fed will be looking hawkish. So this is a cumulative of the war, interest rates, and jobs, and then the trajectory of even season changing, which will give jobs a little boost. We also have to look at the immigration system. With ICE kicking all these people out, these job numbers will vary based on that data also. At the current time, inflation expectations don't seem to be ever reaching the goal of 2%. We keep just floating above it, and with how much the Trump presidency keeps spending, it doesn't seem like we're ever going to get close to it. The breakout in nominal rates was not about inflation expectations also, or concern the macro reason, whether it's debt and Fed credibility, Trump being aggressive with institutions, the dollar value coming down. It simply is because of business growth and GDP growth, or you can say the lack thereof. We're stalling in a way where it seems like the further we go, we're losing control of the economy in a way where there's just too much going on. There's no real facts. There's no real information. We're only waiting for one tweet to come out. Where these guys are making a lot of money in the back end, whether it's congressmen, senators, their lobbyists. We see all these crazy numbers whenever the stock market shifts. You see these purchases being made 15 minutes before, stocks being sold 15 minutes before. It's only people that have the information are Trump's cabinet, and they're making the plays, which at the end does affect us. China even came out, and Iran even came out, that U.S. manipulates the market with this strategy. They're not really trying to negotiate. They're trying to stall things and make more money.